Okay, so you may be researching YouTube training. Dwayne here with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and in this video, I want to talk to you about the importance of having some YouTube training. If you want to be successful on YouTube, then you definitely have to undergo some type of YouTube training where you basically immerse yourself in the community and you try to learn as much as you can and implement what you learn into your own videos. So that's what I want to talk to you guys briefly about in this particular video. But before we get started, I have a quick
message.
Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and on this channel we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, YouTube training is important in regards to you being successful on YouTube. For example, do you know what the word SEO means? Or do you know what keywords mean or tags? If you're not sure what those words mean, then that's a huge problem and you need to be getting some YouTube training. So the purpose of this video is just to tell you the importance of getting YouTube training and fully immersing yourself into the YouTube community and doing as much research as you can so that you can be successful and get off on the right foot in regards to being successful on YouTube. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and link a video right here. This is actually a playlist. It's a list of videos entitled YouTube Training, and it's going to tell you everything you need to know. Exactly how to start a channel, how to set up your YouTube account, how to verify your YouTube account, how to have the ability to make custom thumbnails. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff that you need to learn in regards to being successful on YouTube. That's why, like I said, it's important to be going through some type of YouTube training so that you can learn exactly what you need to do to be successful. So once again, that is the purpose of this video. It's going to be really short and sweet. Before I wrap this video up, let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.